Hi, this is Sadaf. I welcome you all on my Jolly Phonics YouTube channel, Jolly Learner. Today we are going to learn set 2 blending. In my previous video we had learned set 1 blending. If you haven't seen my previous video, so link is up there. So my friends are with me. You can see. Hello Snake. Hello. Hello Inky. Hello. Hello Bee. So let's get started. This is set 2. So let's revise the sounds. This is k, k. This is k. This is k, caterpillar, and this one is kicking k. They both have same sounds. K. This one is eh, eh. This is it's just the air. This is r. This is yummy meal. Okay, and this one is d, 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 drum. You can see this is set 1 and set 2 words. Okay, so let's start blending. P, eh, t, pet, pet, pet. R, eh, d, red, red, red. Again, they both have same sound, and we are going to read it once, like s, k, sack, sack, sack. We are not going to say s, k, and k. We are not going to say it twice. We are going to say it once because there is only one sound. So let's revise again. S, k, sack, sack, sack. You can see the both sounds are same, so we are going to say it once because this is double trouble. It, s, hiss, hiss, hiss. D, r, it, p, drip, drip, drip. P, r, pram, pram, pram. Okay, long word. S, t, p, stamp, stamp, stamp. I hope you have learned how to blend the words. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.